Well, Gland Pharma, of course, is the listing of the day. And when we just talk about Gland Pharma, it seems that it has got a great response versus the sort of issue response or the sort of subscription level that that company had got. Now, when we talk about the company, a decent response coming in at a market cap of 25-30,000 crores now, or close 25,000 after, touching about 1800 level today, of 20% sort of a pop coming in. So investors lapping up the shares in the first minute of trading session. Then when we talk about the company, it's a CMO, contract manufacturer operator, and they operate in the injectable space, mainly for bigger clients, mainly for bigger MNC players is what they essentially tend to do. So it's something like a model like DV's, but DV's does it for formulation, mainly for the innovators. This does not have so much of innovators. It does mainly for the generic players, and that's why, it's an important update that it cannot be compared to any other company X probably or DV's. In terms of DV's, it's been a market favorite with return ratios being very strong, with the valuation that DV's has got time and again because of the performance it has given being very, very strong. So difficult to justify those valuations, but that's probably the only company to which it can be compared. Then when we talk about the track record of the company, so firstly, they have a great track record of adopting to any new technology. They always tend to go ahead and adopt new things. They have who's who of the injectables in the world, which means that they have a great wide variety of products within their bucket. So they have technological capability to produce various kinds of injectables. Then when we talk about the sort of Form 483 or the US FDA inspections that come in, because they have various plants, so they time and again keep getting a lot of inspections globally, but they have a fantastic track record, and they really have not got a warning letter since 2013. So that's essentially something which is liked by the market. Then when we talk about the return ratio, this company is not far behind. In fact, it has industry leading margins with 35% plus in terms of EBITDA margin. That's a very strong number. Remember, DV's in previous quarter generated about 40% in terms of margin, so it's close to there. In terms of ROE, it's again industry leading, greater than 20% in terms of ROE. That's what we are looking at when we look at their return ratio. So very, very strong credentials as far as their return ratios are concerned, and that's why that premium over the pharma index. However, still quoting at a discount of about 15-20% in terms of valuation for DV's, but that could be the case because DV's for years has now been outperforming. So probably that is something which the markets probably want to see from this company. Earlier, when the offer came for subscription, it did not get a great response x the QIP portion of it. QIP's got about 6 times, but both the other categories were not particularly subscribed. So that is something which probably has impacted the sentiment on the street. But a good listing, great return ratios by the company, strong injectable opportunity, as well as great track record from the US FDA front is something which the street likes about this company.